Alam mo, the best yan si Eric. Napakatalino niya, no?
Napakabait niya, napakasipag.
Ang gwapo mo pa rin.
Oo, positive ka eh.
Hi, Eric!
Yes, I'm in love with Eric.
Eric, the janitor?
Dapat, hindi mo ikahiya yung estado ng buhay mo. Eh ano kung social si Pia?
Eric, walang alanganin sa pag-ibig.
So, what if he lives in safe ang Paylay? Bad actress theory, meaning he is so poor.
Concentrate, Eric. I'm in love with you, Pia. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na since high school nandito lang ako.
Oh my Pia, I'm so sorry to burst your bubble, but hindi kayo bagay.
Ano kita? Janitor ka pa rin? Galing ha? Consistent.
Pare, eto tatandaan mo, nothing impossible. In this earth, everything happen.
Sabi mo?
Boyfriend ka na si Una.
Pare, hindi mo kami congratulate?
Dapat yata kalimutan ko na si Pia. Hindi na ako magiging masaya. Tanggap ko na ho yun.
Bakit hindi mo subukan na ipagdasal?
Wala namang binibigay sa akin ng Diyos. Kailangan hindi ko na siya makita.
Richard Gutierrez,
Kailangan ko sundin ang puso ko.
Angel Luxing, Mark Heras, Jeneline Mercado,
Huwag ka sanang mamamatayan ng pag-asa.
Hanggang pangarap na lang siya sa akin.
in a film by Mac Alejandre.
Ain't it funny? Is it just beginner's luck, baby?
With just one touch, two different people from such different worlds apart have touched each other's hearts like candles in the dark.
If it's time for us, we've gotta take it, take the chance to make it now. Let the love begin, let the light come shining in. Who knows where the road will lead us now? Look at what we found. Make this moment turn our hearts around. It may never come again. Let it